Hello guys, today I want to talk about the MDX. This is an '05 MDX. I think it's the same model from '04 to maybe '07, I guess, or '06. I believe all the same, but my friend, he was complaining about and the AC is blowing cold in the back and the rear, but the front only blowing warm. So here's I find the problem and I want to share it with you. If you go to the passenger side, over here in the bottom, I've moved this cover. It just kind of like a clips. Boot it out like this. And come over here. You move this carpet. And this light is a 10mm bolt. I already removed it and I just want to show you what I did. This is a 10mm bolt over here. Already took it out. And then if you go down here, let me turn the light on. You'll see this sensor with the green block. This sensor right here with a green block. I'm gonna take this one out. It's 7mm bolt. Did you took it out? It's too easy. And then you'll see a little clip right here. Oh, where is it? See this one right there? You push it out with your finger. Yeah, the black one right there. You push it with your finger out. It's kind of no spot. Sorry, I have no one with me to hold it, to hold the camera. Right there. Let me take this out. See this little clip right there? You push it with your finger. Comes out like that. Let me pull this arm out. And then it comes out. And then let me remove this and you check it out. Right here. See this little clip? Push it out. There's one, two. Oh, first I need to take this out. See this little clip right here? Push it this way and wiggle it. And this one comes out. And then again, try to remove this clip, move it a little bit. It's number 2, 3, and there is 2 little clips beside that leg. And like you see, I thought the gears is broken, but I believe this motor is gone. I have it checked it out already. If you want to know if it's good or bad, you can go back here, or you can check it with your 12-volt battery. And if you plug it in again, and then you start your car and turn on your AC and move the heat AC to the heat, or heat to the AC. You should see this one moving, but the will not moved. Start the car. I'm gonna turn this to the heat. Oh, look over here. It should be moved, but it's not moving at all. Also, if you want to know that this is the problem, and then if you go down here, you'll see this white little arm. See this arm right there? If you move this one, if you move this arm manually, see, it will turn heat to cold and cold to heat. You go up there and see. Now it's heat. Turn it the other side. And now it's cold. That means this sensor is bad. That door actuator door blend. You will tell the difference. Overheat is cold, freeze. Overheat is here, over here is heat. Oh, this is a cold one. Now it's cold. Like I told you, I found this gears is good, but I found the motor is bad. It's not moving at all. While you change this, see, now it's freezing. While you change the sensor, I found it on AutoZone. This is a part number right here. Like you see, you can tell it's the same, but you're just gonna add this one to it. You're gonna take this arm off and put it in here. Just saying it was no arm. Or you can get it from eBay. This is a part number right here. AC heater door blend actuator. That's it. Please guys, if you do like my video, please like, subscribe and share. YouTube wants me to have like 10,000 subscribers so I can keep going doing my videos. Please share and subscribe if you want me to keep going doing it. Thank you so much.